Yeah, they do both bite each other. So, don't get all mean. I see you getting your nose all. They'll hurt each other.
See somebody's
Was that her
mind.
that whined?
Yes. Resin's daughter. You okay?
Right, she started it.
I know. She come up batting at her, and Resin's like, alright, wanna play, sister? Let's play. Let's dance. I know. You're so Stella, you're just as bad sometimes. You know that? But I don't want her to start doing that way with other dogs either. Hey, Stella. It made me laugh.
Who's that raining? Who's that?
Instead of this one. Then you can't poke your head through. Oh, jeez. Is that all you two ever do?
I just want to lay down and fight.
No, the dogs.